We're looking at exercise 1A, which is called handing over. So this is the last video now. We've looked at the right hand and we've looked at the left hand. And this video is all about bringing those two things together. So we're going to work phrase by phrase. So let's do the first phrase. So in the right hand, you've got this. And you should be very familiar with these already from the other videos. If you're not, go back and have a look at those again before you move on to this. But the right hand bit is... Right, so that's what's going on there. Then in the left hand, you've got a D, C sharp, and a B. And then a little rundown. And we'll stop there. Now let's put this together. So third finger, so 3 and 3. So here's the first bit. So start together. Then you put the C sharp in. Then the right hand carries on. And it goes hands together here. Then do the little rundown. Okay, so I'll show you once more. Third there, and... I kept that right hand note on all the way through that. Now, new phrase. Now you're about to do your third finger on the G here, so this is the third bar, and you've got a new position. So you can let go, but then get your third finger up to that B, and let's put this together. So you've got B there, G there, third fingers again. Then down one here to the F sharp. Now the C sharp here, running down. Now, the place where you go up a note, you're going to carry on down to an E there. And then up to A there and E there. Let's look at that again. I didn't really break that down very much, so I'll just break it down for you. So the right hand was... Okay, and then the left hand was, you've done that little rundown, then you had a third finger, a fourth finger on an F sharp, a little finger, and then a second up on an A. So I'll put that again. So I'll put the little run in just ahead of it. Threes, then the 4 on the left, then the right 4, and then together, cross your third, and then seconds. So you'll end up with a 2 and a 2. Then you've got a pause, a rest I should say, and then we've got the last 2 bars. So the right hand was the chord, rest, chord, so we get the C sharp, and then a little quaver there, and then the final chord. And the left hand was... So let's put them together. So that chord goes with this, so you go. And then when you get to the B, release the chord. Set up your next chord and put it here, with the A in the left hand, and then the G here. And then last bit, D and an F sharp. Now the tricky thing is holding the right hand chord but doing staccato in the left. So look, see, then another staccato, and then held notes for 2 and off. So here's the whole thing played really nice and slowly, really slowing up between the changes in hand position. So 3 there on an F sharp, 3 there, so it goes and... Getting a little bit quieter, rest, loud, oh, and you notice the mistake at the end? It should be held.